Only 2 times did Johnny have anything to say about the photography. And one time he came in, he looked around and said, it's a little bright. And that was it. And then another time he came in and he said, it's a little dark. And that was the only 2 things he said. There's a line where the cult person says, I love your dolls. And that forces the actress to turn and see her holding the Annabelle doll, which launches a whole franchise for the studio.
John, wake up.
What?
Next door, I heard a scream.
Stay here. Go check it out.
John? Is everything all right?
Oh my God, you're covered in blood.
Go back inside. It's not mine. It's not. Go back inside and call an ambulance right now. Go!
I like your dolls.
This was my real first experience working for a proper studio. So I was a little nervous, to say the least. And again, Johnny was so supportive. He likes to use all the cinematic tools, split diopters, selective focus, handheld, Steadicam stuff, all these things. So the toolbox is really open, but I think he expects it to be applied in traditional ways, which was really fun for me because I was so supported. Only 2 times did Johnny have anything to say about the photography. And one time he came in, he looked around and said, it's a little bright. And that was it. And so I just kind of took everything down. And then another time he came in and he said, it's a little dark. And that was the only 2 things he said pretty much during shooting. Of course, we had our pre-pro and pre-production conversations and references and all that kind of stuff. That was really fun to do on a Warner. We actually got it in the first take, and there is an edit in there that's hidden that we had planned on. And I find myself often in this situation where directors want to do Warners. I think it's a really cool crafting, and it shows good directing and good teamwork from everybody and all the actors hitting their marks and the focus pullers and the lighting cues and all that stuff. It's a dance. It's a choreography that we all do as a company. So it's super fun, but I'm always encouraging them to find, hey, let's design a place that we can bury and edit in so that, God forbid, we're struggling with a segment of the one, or that we can at least have a way to, to ditch off and make it work in. We didn't need it, but we designed it, and he just used part of one take and part of the other take, and it's a pillar in the front yard that the camera goes by. There's a line where the cult person says, I love your dolls. And that forces Annabelle Wallis, the actress, to turn and see her holding the Annabelle doll, which, launches a whole franchise for the studio. But it was a really, really fun job for me working with Johnny and working with that studio and starting the Annabelle kind of franchise.
Demons can attach themselves to objects.
Protect your family. Who are you?